Hello, in this video we are going to differentiate a function y is equal to x to the power of x. So what is the derivative of y? So let's look at the function, and before we get to the point we have to look at the domain of this function when x is positive. So I have to directly bring up the graph of this function right here. This is the graph of y is equal to x to the power of x. So you say it is continuous and differentiable in this range when x is positive. However, when x is negative, so here is the graph of this function. You will see there are lots of data points, but the function is discontinuous and not differentiable. So there are only two group of numbers of x values can have a value of y. For example, when x is a negative integer, let's say x is equal to -2 and x to the power of x is equal to -2 to the power of -2, and it's 1/4. So when x is negative integer, there is a value of y. Also, when x is a negative fraction and the denominator here is an odd number, so let's say when x is -1/3 and x to the power of x is -1/3 to the power of -1/3, and the result is -3. So when x is a fraction and the denominator is odd number, and there is a value of y. So these are only data points, and when x is negative, it is discontinuous and not differentiable. We will only look at the domain that's when the function is differentiable. So that is x is positive. So the question goes to y is equal to x to the power of x. X is positive. So what is derivative of y? So since x is positive, x to the power of x is positive, so we can safely take the natural log of both sides. That is ln y is equal to ln x to the power of x. Then we apply the rule ln a to the power of b is equal to b times ln a. So this equation can goes to ln y is equal to x times ln x. So here, then we can differentiate both sides. So the left side differentiates the left side, that is 1/y times the derivative of y, and the right side, that is a x times 1/x plus ln x. So we make arrangement, then we have the derivative of y is equal to y times 1 plus ln x. So remember, y is equal to x to the power of x right here. So the derivative of y is equal to x to the power of x times 1 plus ln x. So here is the final answer, and this is the derivative of y. Thanks for watching. I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.